Nachos, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are diving into some skincare because y'all have been requesting another skincare video. I really love skincare. I'm someone with very oily skin, but as of recently, due to, I just think, being into my third trimester of pregnancy, as well as the colder weather, my skin has gone to somewhat of a normal state and I'm really soaking this up. But usually I am quite oily, so if you're oily, girl, boy, I feel you. I have very sensitive skin. That does not change no matter what is going on in my life, and I do get acne if I'm not careful, if I don't treat my skin well, if I don't treat my body well, and every single time I get some sort of an acne spot or zit, I get a scar. So I really like pampering my skin, taking care of my skin. Whenever I have beautiful skin or clear skin, I really do feel great. I wouldn't say I feel my best, but I feel really, really good, and everything just looks a lot better. My makeup sits better. Somehow I have better hair days when my skin is clear. That's just how it is. So for today's video, I want to bring you guys 5 different skincare ideas or recipes that you can use that'll better your skin. Different things for different things. So we'll be talking about some acne scarring, depuffing, all that stuff. I think it's really important to have fun with taking care of your skin. And I'm also just doing lots of research about toxic products and the amount of products that Sephora sells, the drugstore sells, Nordstrom sells, that just have so many toxins in them, and it can encourage acne or scarring or enlarged pores or sensitivity, when really that's not what we want, right? So I want to come at you guys with a lot of natural ingredients that are going to care for your skin and not kill it. So I hope you guys like this video. If you're curious, the masks I would do maybe 1 to 2 times a week. Everyone's skin is different, so kind of your preference. The more toner I have here is something that if you want, you can use every single day. I only use a couple times a week. And for the facial rolling, you can do this every single day, even multiple times a day if you want to. So with that info aside, I hope you guys like this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you're new, and if you're wanting more skincare videos, specific types of skincare, things you want to know more about, let me know in a comment down below. I'm wanting to completely make all my skincare like non-toxic, very natural, and then show you guys like a skincare routine once I really figure out some products that I enjoy. So that'll be coming someday. I hope you guys like this video. We're gonna go ahead and get started. So aloe vera has been used for centuries as a medicinal product, mainly for the skin. It has 2 hormones that combat inflammation and also promote healing. We also know it is used widely for mainly sunburns and even eczema, but I mostly use it for my acne and to also lightly moisturize the skin. I have this great aloe vera plant, and I will go ahead and take a stem that I notice is browning at the top. That just means that it's time for you to use this stem and start extracting the gel from the stem. Some people eat aloe vera, some people use it on their skin, and I'm more of a skin person when it comes to my aloe vera. I'm going to take a whisk. Kind of helps to break down the gel a little bit. It's easier to apply to the face. And just like all the recipes and things that I'm showing you in this video, start off with a clean base, no makeup, no moisturizer, and you can go ahead and get started with whatever you're doing. So I'm going to apply this to my face. Lots of people will also actually look for moisturizers with aloe vera in them. It's very anti-aging, and it plumps wrinkled skin beautifully and naturally. This will also really purify the skin and fight any acne bacteria that could be surfacing. So just like aloe vera, green tea has been used for ages in promoting healthy bodies and healthy skin. It is high in antioxidants, and that will help clear up acne, reduce redness quite significantly, also reduce sensitivity, and it's going to detox your skin in a really beautiful, gentle way. This is like a poor man's facial. It's really simple, but it is quite stunning, the benefits of doing this often. So I'm just going to grab my green tea bag. You can even use black tea for this. You can use more of a golden tea if you like. But I'm going to let it steep in some hot water for maybe about 15-20 minutes. Next, I'm taking a microfiber cloth. It was time for me to cut up a new one. I like to change these out maybe a couple times a year, and I thought while I was changing it out, I would show you guys. So this is just an antibacterial microfiber cloth, and this is a way that I can kind of do my own DIY sheet masks, which is really fun for me to do and really affordable, and I can customize kind of what I want. So I'm gonna cut out like a face mask shape and then a little slit for my nose. I'm going to put this into my tea, let it sit, let it soak. Around this time, the water isn't hot, but I would say it is quite warm, but it's safe for your skin to handle. You just want to make sure it's not boiling hot and scalding your skin. I'm going to wring out my mask and then put it onto cleansed skin. You can leave this on for as long as you want. Sometimes I'll just leave it on for 5 or 10 minutes and take it off, and I can continue with makeup or my usual skincare routine. Next, I want to talk about facial rolling, and it's something that a lot of people think is really gimmicky, but for me, I found a lot of benefits in using it in a skincare routine, whether it's every day, a couple times a day, or a couple times a week. I keep mine in the fridge in like a little cloth, and I pull upwards on my skin. So facial rollers pretty much just improve blood circulation. It'll even out your skin tone. It'll improve skin elasticity. It'll also aid in lymphatic drainage, reduce puffiness, reduce wrinkles, dark under eye circles, dull skin, eliminate toxins, and it's going to reduce your pore size. I have found that all these things are very true. The more I use my facial roller, especially keeping it in the fridge so it's a nice cool treatment for my skin, is really improving so many areas of my skin that I didn't realize could be improved. This is quite affordable too, and it's something you can use over and over again, and I needed to feature it in this video for you guys. Here I'm wetting a cotton round for my apple cider vinegar toner. So with a wet cotton round, I'm just going to take some organic apple cider vinegar and put it on my cotton round that I'm later going to put onto my face. ACV contains alpha hydroxy acids, and that's going to remove dead skin cells, and that's going to later reveal really glowy, soft skin. I always do this before bed because it does leave my skin red. Not irritated, but just red. It will usually leave within a few hours or after a good night's rest. This will also balance your skin's pH, and that'll ultimately help in reducing acne over time. This is something I've done for years, and it's a pumpkin face mask. You're going to have about a tablespoon of pumpkin, a little bit of nutmeg, a little bit of cinnamon, and some organic raw honey. Put that in a bowl, mix it all up. This will make about maybe 2 or 3 masks. You can just store it in the fridge. I find that this mask is really gentle and I can use it back to back if I want to. So pumpkin, cinnamon, nutmeg, and honey, they're all packed with enzymes. This is really good at rejuvenating and lightening the skin, specifically dull and dark areas like age spots, sunspots, acne scars. I leave this on for maybe about half an hour, rinse it off, and I can already see my skin is really brightened. Thank you all very much for watching today's video. Be sure to hit the thumbs up button if you really liked it, and let me know if you do any of these kind of skincare things, or if you do different variations of it, or let me know if there's like a certain mask or treatment that you like to make and put on your face and just something you really enjoy. If you have a recipe, leave it in the comment section down below because I am going to hop on that so fast. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!